In workplaces right now, I think that it's so important to realize that what employees want and what leaders want really aren't opposite sides of the spectrum. Employees want to feel valued. They want to be trusted to do good work. They want to be in an environment that supports them doing good work. And leaders want the business to be successful. And those things aren't at odds with one another, but sometimes I think we talk about them in a way that makes them seem like they are. And so I think when we think about rebuilding trust, what do we do about this? It's really focusing on that intersection. What leaders want and what employees want aren't opposite things, but how do we create an environment where our employees feel valued, they feel like they can be successful, and in turn, our business can be stronger and successful?